Hello friends, today we have compiled a video that you will benefit from and enjoy a lot. For the continuation of such content, do not forget to like our videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Goat farming can be a lucrative business, and incorporating modern technologies and practices can help increase productivity and profitability. Here are some key considerations for an amazing million goat farming venture: housing and feeding. Goats need adequate shelter from extreme weather conditions, clean and dry bedding, and proper ventilation to maintain good health. The housing should also be designed to facilitate easy access and movement of goats. Feeding should be well balanced, with a mix of hay, grains, and supplements as per the goat's age and size. Modern milking system. A modern milking system, such as a milking parlor, can help increase milk production, improve milk quality, and reduce labor costs. Automatic milking systems that use robotic technology can also provide real-time monitoring of the goat's health and milk production. Quality breeding. Selecting quality breeding stock is critical to the success of your goat farming venture. Breeding stock should be chosen for their milk production, health, and hardiness. The use of artificial insemination, AI, can also help in selecting superior genetics and reduce the risk of diseases. Goat cheese and meat export. The demand for goat cheese and meat is increasing globally, and exporting these products can be a lucrative market. To export goat cheese and meat, you need to meet specific food safety and quality standards set by your country and the importing country. Veterinary care. Goats need regular veterinary care to maintain good health, prevent diseases, and manage parasites. A regular vaccination program, routine health checks, and timely treatment of any health issues are critical to the success of your goat farming venture. In conclusion, modern goat farming requires a combination of good husbandry practices, modern technologies, and marketing strategies to be successful. A well-managed goat farming venture can provide a good source of income and contribute to the economy through export opportunities. To start a goat farm, you need to have a suitable location with adequate space, proper housing, and fencing to keep the goats secure. You also need to have access to clean water, quality feed, and veterinary care. There are different breeds of goats suitable for different purposes, so you need to choose the right breed for your farming goals. Some popular goat breeds include the Boer, Alpine, Nubian, and Saanen. In addition to the physical infrastructure and goats, a successful goat farm requires proper management practices, including regular monitoring of the goat's health, feeding, breeding, and marketing strategies. In conclusion, a goat farm can be a rewarding and profitable venture, but it requires careful planning and management to be successful. With the right knowledge, skills, and resources, you can establish a thriving goat farm and contribute to the growing demand for goat products.